Hi everybody, welcome back to Cooking with YJ. Tonight I'll be showing you guys how to make some delicious pan-fried Cantonese steak over here. Look at that. It's so easy to make. A quick marination and then a quick pan fry with some onions. Look at that. Okay, let's get to the recipe. Okay, for this pan-fried steak recipe, you'll need some steak. Over here I've got 2 T-bone steaks over here. Okay, let's marinate the steak with some salt. Just give it a quick sprinkle of salt. Quick sprinkle of white pepper. Going to add a few teaspoons of sugar. I'm going to add in just a little bit of chicken bouillon powder. Drizzle some oyster sauce. Drizzle some soy sauce. Drizzle some sesame oil. Drizzle a little bit of Chinese rice wine. Add in about 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, next get a glove and just give it a good mix. Once you give this a good mix for a few minutes, then we can pop this in the fridge and then marinate for about 30 minutes before we pop it on the pan to pan fry this. Okay guys, let's pan fry our steak. So here I've got a wok that I preheated. Now just add in a little bit of olive oil. Good amount. Give it a good rinse. Let's pop in our steak. Okay, we're going to pan fry each side of the steak for a few minutes until it's golden and brown. Then over here I also chopped up 1 little small onion into slices. Once the steak is well cooked, we will dump the onions on top and then the steak should be ready. Okay, let's look the steak around after a few minutes. Wow, look at that color. Also thanks to the sugar and the cornstarch that you get this wonderful pan-seared color over here. And flip it around again. Okay. Now we're dumping the onions on top. Just leave it like this to cook for a few more minutes. Okay guys, the steak should be ready. Turn it around again. Yes, it's ready guys. Look how easy that is. Quick and simple, delicious Cantonese style steak flavor over here. Okay. The onions, you don't want to cook it too soft or else it releases too much water into the steak. Just give it a good stir fry with that onion there. Wow, very tasty. Okay guys, it's ready, dinner time.